Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good.
Semoga kalian semua yang nge-like berkah selalu, murah rezeki.
Amin.
Sehat selalu.
Sekali sama keluarga kalian.
Gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's 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 gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control. I try to pick one thought, some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.